A few weeks ago, I made a comment that my life is pretty busy and I do a lot of projects outside of work. Today, I'm going to give you an example of one of them. Friends of mine asked for some help. They need to replace a tub with the shower. So that's what we're doing today. I've learned all of this from YouTube, doing my own little projects. Now I get to help other people. This is not a how-to video. This is just a glimpse into my life. So please follow along. So this water right here used to be from the tub. So it's too low. So we're going to have to cut it and put it to right about that level. So to be more comfortable. And then a drain. It's made for a tub. So we're going to have to move it a little bit closer to here. So let's get started. So you want to make sure you clean this copper pipe really well, and when you use flux that will actually help to solder. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna make a pocket here, so we just gotta cut this 2x4. Alright, so we have it all cement board and everything, all these little nails. We made a pocket. We just gotta put another piece of cement board in here. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna use this mesh over the joist and cement right over it. Basically, that's what this thing looks like. You kind of want to have it just about like this. A beautiful morning, day 2, and we are ready for tile. So let's go finish this up. This is the fun part. Alright, so what you want to use is this red guard waterproofing to paint the whole shower before you do the tile. It's not like I'm in a pink mood or anything like that, but that's the best thing you can do to prevent water penetration on your tile shower. Especially this pocket that we made. Definitely want to waterproof this thing real good. And I forgot to mention, this shelf here has to have a little bit of a slope in order so the water would not sit there but actually drip down. So we just got to finish this up and we're ready to tile. So this is Versa Bond thin set. That's what I use to set the tile in. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix this. All you need is a bucket and a good size mixer or a drill with the paddle, and that's what you need. So let's do it. It's very important to get started right. So you want to make sure that all your tile is leveled and your shower pan is leveled, which mine is a little bit off. I didn't fix it because I needed to do cement leveling under the tub, which I didn't have time for it, so I just leveled it with the tile. So your first row, it's very important. So let's take a look. Okay, so we have this pocket all tiled in. So whenever I come around, I don't have to play with this anymore. Also, it's a good idea to have yourself a little laser level. So this way you find the middle of your shower pan, and that's where you start laying tile, from the middle to the side. So that way both of your sides look identical. And this is what I mean by having the tile level. You just want to make sure that all your bottom, you have these wedges that you could put it in and have this thing all level. So then turn off the light so you could see the actual level line. So that is what you want. So how do I cut tile? I use a tile cutter. There's a couple different styles I'm going to show you. So I am using this thing, which is pretty nice. Cuts the tile a lot faster, but I didn't start with this one. Initially, I started with this tile cutter, which is real cheap. It's made by Ryobi, but it does the job. I used it for a few years. So if you want to be your own contractor, just start small and practice, and it will do the job. So let's cut some tile. I don't have the rest of the video because my battery died. I had to come back the next day to finish grout and a little bit of tile, but I had to work in between. So I came right after work, forgot my GoPro, my battery was dead in my phone because I came there in the morning after work. So I have a couple pictures for you of the finished product. So if you like what you see, I have a couple other videos of my other projects that I do. I will be posting them soon. So please give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe. If you see any mistakes that I made, please point them out. Or if you have any good tips, I would like to learn from you. And I'll see you next time.